Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays.
Mondays.
Yay!
Yay.
I've got a fantastic guest. I'd love to introduce herself and let you know what she does to make a difference in the world.
Exactly. So my name is Precious Proskovia, born and raised in Uganda, but I live in San Francisco, California. And what I do to change our world is I save children's lives. I do child care I do medical missions in Uganda, and we take doctors and nurses so that we prevent the premature death that is so rampant in Uganda, that it has caused so many orphans and widows. And on top of that, I do child advocacy. So I am a global child advocate, and we advocate for orphans and others who are underserved in our communities in Uganda and other African countries. And on top of that, we also take care of widows and single moms. So we empower them using their skills. We help them do skills development, and we help them do businesses and entrepreneurship so that they can be able to have self-sustainability. So all these things I passionately do. My background as a neuroscience registered nurse and also an entrepreneur gives me the ability to be a philanthropreneur so that we go out there and change our world.
That is amazing. And it's just the little things we do. So, if you're listening from Australia, we're going over in November and to Uganda. We help work with Watoto and Soup. And
Right.
I'm sad to say I won't be meeting you
I
there,
know, but we can next time.
but every little bit helps. So on a Monday, start to think about perhaps what you can do to make that bit of a difference in the world. There's so
Right.
many people that need our help.
Right, right. They can be able to use what I like to tell people is use your expertise. The world out there is waiting for your awakening. Use your expertise and become that person who does not wait for another person to do something, but you be the change you want to see in your world.
I
You
love
can,
that.
right? You can. Our foundation is called Precious Kids Foundation. You can find us on preciouskidsfoundation.org. But this is something that I encourage people out there. Use whatever gifts, talents, and anything that you know you can do in our world. You do not have to wait for anybody. Be the change you want to see in our world. Use your expertise.
Use your gifts and expertise because that is what is precious.
Yes.
And the last time I met someone named Precious, it was a little tiny baby in Gulu.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So nice to meet you again,
Thank you.
and
Thank
we'll
you.
speak soon.
Yes.
Make a difference. Bye.
Yes.